Most important question of set, class 11th. Let us see the question. Question is what? Write -5 open interval, 9 close interval in the set builder form. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? See. So here answer will be what? That is, here you can write x, where x is the element of what? Real number. And we can write -5 less than x and x is less than equal than 9. So when it is written open interval, then only this is less, and close interval less than equal than. So -5 less than x, x is less than equal than 9 is our right answer. Question is, write the set B equal to 3, 9, 2, 7, 81 in set builder form. Set builder form is what? We have to convert this set in a roster form. That is what? Set builder means what? In a properties form. So correct answer is what? See, B equal to x, where x equal to 3 to the power n. N is what? Element of natural number. And this natural number should be what? That is 1 to 4. So 1 is less than equal than n is less than equal than 4. So 3 to the power 1 is what? 3. 3 power 2 is what? 9. 3 power 3 is what? 27. 3 power 4 is what? 81. So this is the set builder form, and this is what? Roster form. So this roster form converted to set builder form. This is our right answer. Most important question of class 11 set. Let us see the question. Question is what? If A equal to 1, 3, 5, how many elements has P of A? So P of A is what? Power set of A. Power set of is what? That is the set of subset. That means indirectly we have to find total number of subset. So you know the trick, total number of subset. Total number of subset is what? 2 to the power n, where n is what? Number of element in set. So here 3 element given. So 2 to the power 3, 8. So our correct answer is what? 8. Most important question of set class 11. Let us see the question. Question is what? Write x, where -3 less than equal than x, x less than 7 as an interval. So here it is given the set builder form, and we have to write in interval. So simple technique is what? Here less than equal than. So this is the closed interval. Here only less. So this is what? Open interval. So our answer will be what? This is -3 close interval, and then it is 7. This is what? Open interval, right? So this is our correct answer. Hello everyone, most important question of class 11 set. Let us see question. Question is, write all possible subset of A. What is given? A, 5, 6. We have to find total possible subset. The trick is what? First is the empty set. So or 5. So this is empty set, or 5 is the first subset. Second is what? Individual element, that is 5 and 6. And now next will be what? That is 5, 6. So there are 4 subset of 5, 6, 5 or empty set, or 5 and 6 and 5, 6. So we know total number of subset is what? 2 power n, 2 to the power 4. So here 4 subset we have written. Hello everyone, most important question of class 11 set. Let us see the question. Question is, if x and y are two sets such that n of x 19, n of y 37, and n of x intersection y is what? 12. We have to find n of x union y. That is total number of x and y. For this type of question, simple technique is what? N of x union y, you know well, n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So n of x is 19, n of y 37, intersection given 12. Just add this number 16, 3 1 4 5 minus what? 12. So 6 minus 2 4 5 minus 1 4. So our correct answer is what? 44. Hello everyone. Most important question of set class 11. Let us see the question. Question is, if A equal to given 1 2 3 6 and B set given 1 2 4 8, we have to find A minus B. So A minus B is what? Just remove the element of B from A. So correct answer is what? A minus B. So just remove the element of B from A. So 1 2 in B. So remove this 1 2, you will get what? 3 6. So your correct answer is what? 3 6 is our right answer. So A minus B, remove element of B from A. If we are finding B minus A, then remove the element of A from B. So here our correct answer A minus B is what? 3 6.